In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Lovable app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide an app from public access without deleting your work, so you can pause access, make updates, or retire a project safely. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. Look for the official Lovable site in the results, and avoid anything that looks like an ad or an unrelated domain. Click the correct link to head to the Lovable landing page. Once you're there, click Sign In. Use your usual login method and, if prompted, complete any two-factor steps. After signing in, make sure you're in the right workspace if you use more than one, so you don't accidentally modify the wrong project. On the Lovable home screen, find the Projects area. Depending on your account, you'll either see a list of recent projects or a grid showing all your applications. If you don't spot the one you need right away, look for a search or filter to narrow things down. On the project card for the app you want to unpublish, click the three dots in the corner of the card. This opens the overflow menu with more actions. From that menu, select Open in New Tab. Opening it in a separate tab keeps your dashboard visible and makes it easier to navigate back if you need to check another project. In the new tab, look to the top left corner of the header and click your project name. That opens a drop-down with key management options tied to this specific app. From the drop-down, choose Settings, sometimes labeled Project Settings. This will take you to a page with configuration options and administrative controls for the project. Within Settings, navigate to the section labeled Unpublish Project. This area is designed specifically to take your app offline. Unpublishing removes public access to the app and its live URL, but it does not delete your code, data, or configuration. You can republish later when you're ready. When you're set, click the Unpublish button to confirm. If a confirmation message appears, review it and proceed. After a moment, you should see a status update or a success message indicating the project is unpublished. Keep in mind that cached links may take a short time to stop resolving, but new visitors will no longer be able to reach the app. That's it. You've successfully unpublished your Lovable app while keeping everything intact for future updates or a relaunch. If you need to restore it later, return to Settings and choose the Publish option when you're ready.